Wall Street Pete, Sicto in crypto.
In a world where you would imagine may the fourth be with you. And if we're looking for Luke, I am your father.
You may find him. It is May 4th, 2021, and we're trading ETH Classic Ethereum. Let's get it. I hope you're having a wonderful May the 4th be with you as you watch your money fly to the moon. I told you we're going to the moon. I told you we're going soon. When I talk about a coin, when I bring it up, we need to pay attention, definitely to mention $74 and climbing. What is going on? We're breaking through. I guess we're going to go to $100 tonight. Dr. Reed has confirmed. He says $100 tonight. I say, damn, let's try. Right? I'm waiting for the next red candle. We are not going to get one. I don't know. I bought Harmony, okay? I bought Harmony. When I tell you I bought Harmony, we're getting that landing, that plane. Yes, yes. Ladies and gentlemen, I always talk about this on all of my videos. I talk about this plane action where we get this flat momentum and then we get a liftoff. I talk about this all the time. And if you like making Sicto in crypto, hit that like, subscribe. Definitely say hello in the chat. I want to know who my live members are, and I want to know how I have money sitting on the sidelines right now ready to buy something. If I buy the dip one more time, Mr. Reed, as I see you coming. Oh, Mr. Reed is coming. It's a good dude. Listen to this. Listen to this. I've been buying the dip on Harmony like a savage. I have, you want to hear how many shares I have of Harmony? I keep buying it every time it goes down. I have 37,000 shares almost of Harmony. I can't stop buying it. Mr. Reed is laughing. Don't be laughing. It's not funny, sir. 12 cents. We need to see 30 cents soon with Harmony. I'm really getting sick and tired. I just thought I did something for it. I guess not. Oh, I was telling you about this boring. Hold up. Hey. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Did you watch my last video on my very last video? My very last video, I said we were going to get this crazy volatile action and bring us up through, and this is going to be like a huge loop, like a hug. Look, I said that. I didn't say the hug part. Oh, my gosh. But I said that was going to happen, and we were going to come down here, and look what we did. We just... Wow, so I'm so glad I bought the dip. I'm so tired of buying the dip that I'm going to own a tobacco company. It's gotten that bad. Tip of the day. I always say this recently, last couple days. Stop buying the shit that ties you to a new monthly payment. You must love your job. You must love your job, question mark? Laugh out loud. Not many do. Stop tying yourself down to your job you don't like. Wall Street Pete, hashtag no monthly bills, hashtag love my job. I have some things I wanted to talk about. I do have some things. Did I not say that today Ethereum Classic would hit $72 when it was trading like 50? Yes, I did. Yes, Wall Street Pete did. I'm going to show proof 8 hours ago. If you follow me on Instagram, if you take this stuff seriously, I'm not, unfortunately, yeah, it's like a bragging right time, and I don't really want to be that guy, but please hit that like, subscribe. Wall Street Pete. Some people like this. This was another one. We're talking about Doge right after, but if you look at the time frame, it was 8 hours ago. I think it was a lot longer than that. $72 ETC today. Who has the balls to tell you that? Hashtag ETC, hashtag $70. Let's just be honest. What YouTuber's doing this and then achieving that goal? It was like 12 hours later. I was like up till 4 in the morning doing this stuff. This is what I do. Hit that like, subscribe. Please follow me on Instagram. If you do not know where my Instagram is, it is right here. We got one here for the YouTube. You need to get a YouTube account. You need to please like, subscribe on this. This is free. You need to get an Instagram. This is what we do. Please, that is also a free. We just get free money. Money making Pete. No, it's going to be, my name is Cuban Pete. I'm the king of the rumba beat. And when I get the chick-chicka-boom, chick-chicka-boom, chick-chicka-boom. You ever hear that? Oh, man, Cuban Pete. Don't be like Cheap Pete from In Living Color. We don't want to talk about him, right? He's funny as hell. We talked about it. This is my post here. I said today, I see the light. It's a wonderful day. I don't know if anybody realized what a wonderful day it was. I told you, here I saw the light. It's amazing how life works. Wow, I see the light. Sell some Doge for Ethereum. Good morning. Early bird got the worm. It was a worm. That's beautiful. The light. It's just stuff I say. I mean, I didn't sell all my Dogecoin right before I knew it. I was buying more because I realized what was happening. Get some Instagram. Let's pay attention as we're getting a green wick. We're going to get some of this sideways action on one. What are we going to talk about now? We are going to talk about Ethereum Classic, how it's now at $76. And all right, so I lied. I said we're going to see $72. I said we were going to see it. I didn't say we were going to stop. I honestly didn't know if we were going to stop. I was thinking we were going to see $100. So now I'm going to have to put my stop in for this at $100. Wow. What do we do on this show? What do we do on my podcast? Well, we do a couple things where we go shabam, wham, thank you, ma'am, right? We do some crazy stuff. Wall Street Pete does funny stuff. He's out of his mind, and he has every reason to be. Why? Because we're at $76. We're at 8.7, and if you look at this math, when are we going to go down if the market cap is this high? He says, I'm bowing to you. Oh, man. Listen to me. Jers H, listen to me. I was the guy at 5 cents going, it's a shit coin. Okay? I was that guy. You will never hear Wall Street Pete take any. I will never take any credit when it's not deserved. I will never. Listen to me right now. Doge is a lot cheaper, and I'm watching my balance go through the roof right now. This is kind of nuts. I'm not used to this. I have money on the sidelines. I actually have money for a dip. I'm not buying no more Harmony. I know that. We're 76. I mean, this is called a parabolic move. I don't think we're done. I personally think that we're going to be at $130 the way it's moving right now. I know you guys think I'm out of my mind, but I'm out of my mind too, I think. I also agree. Why do I agree? Because we have no history on this price. I could make Ethereum Doge shit coin right now. An Ethereum Doge shit coin. That's the name. I just made the coin up. Ethereum Doge shit coin. It's the token. It's the token of shit. I just made it. Does anybody want to buy it? It's going to start off at 0.00. I'm going to give you the price. The price is going to be 0.12345. We're going to go like Safe Moon status. We're going to be on sale though. That's the price, right? That's the price. So if you want to get this price today, and you want to get I swear, I'm being funny because I feel like people are going to start making these coins like this, Ethereum dog shit, and you're just going to buy it, the token. As I got the toke shit. Oh my God, that is so much funnier than I meant it to be. Oh Lord, I just have a wild mind. Listen, I never thought 2 years ago I'd be up here talking about stocks, right? I'm thinking stocks in my head. I'm thinking maybe one day I could do stocks. No, we're doing cryptocurrency. We're making a lot of money. We're making sick dough in crypto. This is crazy. I never thought it would happen. It's amazing. $76 and we're still going. I need to FOMO in soon. I can't believe this. I'm watching what's happening and I have money on the sidelines. Listen to me. I have money on the sidelines to get in on a dip. And I'm making more money as, ladies and gentlemen, if you don't believe me, just watch. I don't lie. I tell the truth. Why? Because this is what I do. I know you can see that. When I get 1,000 subscribers, you're going to understand that's Harmony 1. That's almost 37,000 Harmony 1 I own. Okay, it's there, and when I start going crazy, it's going to care. We're all going to care. Harmony 1 is doing something funky. It's not getting what it's supposed to be getting. I'm okay with it. As long as Ethereum goes to $100, it's going to save my butt cheeks, and then I'm going to sell out of Ethereum at 100 and something, and then I'm going to go buy more. I sold out of my NKN. I did it. Yes, I wish I didn't. I did keep my Ethereum. If you go to the portfolio and look, we had $2,900. We were getting our butts kicked. We lost a little bit more today as we went down. It was okay. I held it. I held my anchor. I'm going strong with Big Bad Boy Stanker. You see me going with it, right? This sucks. A lot of people would have sold all this already. We were at 2,000 on this. I know for a fact. We're down about 6. We're going to go through it. What are we going to do for you? We're going to see what's for you. Bitcoin, Ethereum, the flippin'. And future trends for crypto development. They're basically telling you to take all your Bitcoin and put it into Ethereum. Why? Because that's what's happening. If you don't understand what is going on, I wish I could get rid of this advertisement. Get away. Then they make you got to sit there and hold it. They're getting good at that. And then another advertise. That's why I don't watch this stuff. You see what I do? I'm not going to even talk about it, but listen. It doesn't matter. You don't need to listen to any of BS people, right? Listen to Wall Street Pete. What's going to happen is Bitcoin is getting its ass kicked, okay? This is an M forming. Did I not write this in my last one? I actually predicted this. I don't know if anybody sees this. Anybody who's watching me, pay attention, definitely to mention. Look at this. I said there was a possibility we were forming this M, it was going to fall. Well, we didn't get specifically there. What did we do? We touched an old support line that we've had in the past. What do you see here? Well, that's what I'm talking about. It's an old support line. Well, now we expect to hopefully go green and not go down more. People will buy the dip, right? We talk about buying the dip. I apologize about the dogs. That's annoying. Yeah, it happens. I'm sorry about that. You're going to hear them more and more. I'm trying to get them in the house. Anyways, so what are we at? We're at 74.5. If you look at Ethereum Classic, this is what this is about. I wanted to explain to you that I bought a lot of Harmony. As you see, it's not a shoot ton. $5,000. Maybe $5-6 grand. But what's going to happen is it's going to bounce up. It's going to hit the 30. I'm going to turn it into 10 grand, and I'm going to sell it all. I'm selling all of it. I know people are going to tell me, what are you doing? Hodl Master would have told me I'm out of my mind. That's what I'm doing. It's what you got to do. Just stop wasting your money. Stop having monthly payments. That was the advice. When we go here, what we do, right? We go to the prices. What does Wall Street Pete do? Please hit that like, subscribe. We go to the ETC, and we double check everything. Yeah, you know me. 74 cents. We're down $2. I'm not freaking. Okay. It's still looking beautiful. It's still 5.7. So we're about 5.7. That's looking good, billion. Off over on this market cap. I don't see how this is going to stop at the rate it's going. It's almost like Reddit got together and said, Ethereum Classic's going to go to the moon tonight. It's going to the moon today. Wall Street Pete said it. This is crazy that I said it. We all get impatient. Yes. What's going on, Marky Mark? What's going on, Green Tools? Let's get it, everyone. How is everyone doing? Cole, how are you doing, Magician Beat? If I didn't say hello, JF, what's going on? I hope everyone's having a great night, Alex. Then we go over to the price here, and then we click over, right? And then we go right here, too. What price? We're going to go to the Doge because we've been talking a lot about that bad boy. 56 cents and rising. We're getting a little sideways boring action, if you noticed. Where are we at? Well, we're at the 38.3 billion. We are now almost doubling what Ford was, I think. I'm trying to remember what that was. We almost doubling what Ford's worth. Can somebody check that? Is that possible? Oh, gosh. 1 second, please. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm a big guy, so I get a big thing of water. So, brought to you by water. If you ever get thirsty during the day, do you ever get thirsty at night? I got a pill for you. Do you wake up in the morning and go to bed at night? I feel like some of these crazy people, man. You have to be careful of the YouTubers out there. They are coin pumpers. I'm starting to notice that, by the way. And listen, when I get to 1,000 subscribers, I will get a check mark next to my name. We're going to refresh. 38.3, let's get a 38.4, right? This is what we pay attention to on the volume. This is what we've been doing. We pull out our indicators. Oh, I'm sorry, 38.4? No, let's get a 38.5. We just went up $200 million on Doge. That's cool. Pay attention to what's happening, baby. This is huge. What are we doing? Well, our upward trend that I was putting here, we're now bouncing off of the upward trend. Do you see this? I want you to understand this. This is Bitcoin. Okay. Harmony is doing this too. Bitcoin is now hopefully a buyable price. And now it's on the cheap and you can continue to buy. 30 cents is patient to me. I want to be out at 19. Laugh out loud. Listen to me. I worked around the animals that were so-called animals. I remember I worked here. Robert Downey Jr., if nobody watched this, we got to go over it again because it's that big of a deal. He says we're animals. This is the building where I worked. This is called the Open Outcry, the Open Outcry pit. He is not happy. He's not happy. I know him. He freaks out. I actually know this lady. I think it's Jean, right? What's her name, guys? Somebody will write it out on the chat. I know somebody's watching from here. They're a bunch of money-hungry, effing scumbag. This, that. It was so crazy. He freaked out. He was getting pushed around. He couldn't handle it. He couldn't handle Wall Street Pete pushing him around, screaming and yelling, ah! And then you wonder why I'm so god darn crazy. Now you kind of get an understanding. This is what happens. This is where I'm from. ETC is going nowhere. The whales are trying to scare you out. Understand, the whales are trying to scare you. It's unbelievable. I'm looking at a 4-hourly. If you look at the hourly, boom, down, right? The Fibonacci pullback. We talk about the Fibonacci sequence on how it's BS. We put the Fibonacci sequence, then we throw out the EMA. Hit that like, subscribe so we can get that moving right now. Let's see. I want to do the EMA. Didn't I have that up here? There it is. The EMA ribbon. Now, look, this is what I wanted to show. We've been on some type of a ride lately. I don't know if you see it. It's a very, very bullish ride on Ethereum Classic. We're going to have to go over Doge in a minute. Doge is definitely another one we've been talking and high on. But the whole market turned green. That's what I really wanted to talk about. Did you pay attention? As Ethereum Classic is now 76 and higher, this is what goes on. This is it right here. This is what we're here for. We're going to the moon and we're going soon, right? I have to pay attention to the entire market. I have to buy something on the dip. I told everybody to buy Atari. That's kind of crazy. I told everybody that don't be retarded and buy Atari. This is looking so bullish. This is almost done. This is now going to go form an inverted head and shoulders pattern. This is Atari token, and then it'll do something like that, and then it'll come down here, and then it'll eventually do that. And then I'm telling you right now, that's if you don't believe me, take a screenshot of this, and then find yourself, I don't know when, find yourself down the road. About a week, you'll see that this was no joke. Atari token is a console oh my gosh. So we're just going right through to 100 now. I said we will see 70 cents. We were at 52, I think. I said we'll see 72 cents. We are going somewhere where the world was going to take us. I think Elon's helping. Like, is Elon here? Show me a new high. I'll show you a new buy. I don't know about this. I really wouldn't FOMO into this. I know that we're going parabolic. I know there's a chance to go $100. But would you FOMO into this if you were educated? Really, let's be honest about this. I've been telling you to buy this. What did I do? I mean, come on. Can I get some credit here? Can somebody say, wow, holy damn, right? Look at this. Look at this. You're going to type in Wall Street, right? Wall Street Pete, you're starting to like the guy, right? You're starting to get a feel for him. What happened 8 hours ago? Classic Ethereum. Why is nobody talking about it? Volume is 10 billion over the market cap. Oh no, the volume was 10 billion and the market cap was 7. We were 3 billion over. And what did this young lad have to say? He's not young. Nobody seems to really care about what's happening with Ethereum Classic. If you pay attention, the volume is currently about 3 billion over the market cap. 116 million circulating supply. If I'm correct, if that... You know what? I actually want to see that. I want to see that. What a stoppage right there. It looks so good right there, right? That was nice. It was a good stop video right there of my... Hey, how you doing, guys? 76.5 going to 77. That's looking really good. I bought some more on the dip. I bought the dip. Have a sip. On Harmony. I'm starting to like that. Bitcoin's starting to, everything's starting to look healthy again. For how long? That's going to be a great question. What do I do when I wonder how long, right? What does Wall Street Pete do? He goes to Daddy. Daddy's home again. There he is. There's Daddy. And who's Daddy? Daddy's Bitcoin. That's why we talk about it. All right, well, no, look what I'm looking at here, because this is confusing as hell. As you would think, as I stuttered there for a second, you would think that we've been going down forever. I didn't see this, really. Shame on me. Holy shit. Like I said, you would have thought we've been going down for so long. That's why technical analysis is so fun, and that's why this stuff is not easy. You have to really take a peek at some stuff. All we're doing is falling down on this trend here. There was an upward trend. If you pull it out, and if you really look, like, come on, how parabolic do we look? I mean, it gives it a bad look. So what I do is I'll take this, and then I'll get the meat of the whole wick, and then I'll pull it down here and I'll come over, and now you have the body. See how silly we looked on the arrows? We had nothing. We were just doing right now time technical analysis trend lines. If you take the meat and if you pay $10, you don't have to do this crap no more. I'm not paying the money. I don't know why. I'm not going to do it every month. I'm not strapping myself to a monthly bill, a monthly payment, when I could do it for free and just hit the X button. I'm getting fast at it. I used to play games where I was really quick. I don't need to worry about it, right? So we take that. Roughly, we're about there, and that's what we're looking at. And then you just zoom out, zoom in a little bit. Pay attention to what Bitcoin's doing. Well, every time Bitcoin has come down, we have done something like this where we've got this action, and then we do this, right? This is to the tip. So now what am I showing you? Well, get ready, Freddie, to eat spaghetti, because guess what? We just did something similar to that. What's the price here? $75,000. I'm doing a Bitcoin technical analysis for you. Bam. Let me drop the mic. Here, let me drop it and break it, and then we'll never talk to you guys again. Bye. Like, right? No, I just had a drop the mic moment because it didn't even happen yet, and I'm trying to explain to you that, like, this is coming. If you don't realize that 75,000 is really coming, I don't know what you think's coming. If you missed the train, just be patient and catch the next one. Abso-friggin-lutely. Pete, you got a Twitter? Yes, I do. Does a bear shit in the woods and leave it there? Yes, I do. It's capital. Wow, it's at Sicto. It's Pete at SictoCrypto.com. Yeah, .com. At I guess Twitter. I really don't know how to use this stuff. I never had a Twitter account, as you could tell. So it was Pete at SictoCrypto. There you go. That was for the Twitter. I apologize. I was having a little fart moment there because I was trying to figure it out, because I have 3 different names for all different social media platforms, and it kind of gets I'll tell you. Imagine having all different passwords to all the different platforms I have. I have a book hidden in 10 different places. It's like finding things. Ethereum Classic, as I said, is going to 100 tonight. It just is going to happen that way. If you don't take your profits, you're going to wish you did. I'm making Sicto in crypto. And as if you followed my video today and bought it this morning when I said 8 hours ago on Instagram, if anybody is just following right now, OpenSea.net, that's a cool place too. But what I'm saying is this was pretty cool that I killed that. I didn't know. You know what, though? I should get some backlash for this, right? I should get some backlash for this. This is the truth. Wall Street Pete said this today, but the funny part is I never said nothing else. I said Ethereum Classic looked good here at $59. Don't let the whales beat you out, right? The whales were coming down. This was only a little bit ago. And then I did say 8 hours ago longer than 8 hours ago, I think this is part of the DOGECOIN, that we were definitely going to see $72 ETC today. Wall Street Pete, Sicto Crypto. Hashtag ETC, hashtag $70. I was excited that I called because I knew that we were going further. May I tell you what I did? I had a sell order in at $72. I'm not kidding. I could tell you my mistakes. Remember the song today? Beautiful mistake. It was a beautiful mistake. I was putting my sell stops lower and lower, and as I've realized that the market cap was getting destroyed and dominated over the volume, that it was a beautiful mistake. And we were just going to keep moving. And as you notice, ETC, as I keep refreshing my money, I don't know if you remember me getting excited earlier today about my portfolio being over 10 grand. We're now over 140 more than that. We're making moves today. That's not the only platform I'm making money, honey. I have money on the sidelines here. I don't know what to do with it. I don't know if you've seen it, but I also have more than that. And I don't know, Sicto and crypto. We're going to the moon. We're going soon, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, what do you want to talk about here as Ethereum's going back up to the 3,300? Ethereum's looking crazy right now. What is it doing? Well, Ethereum's trying to find its landing spot. If I do that again, I'm going to smack something. This is a 4-hourly. Let's go to the hourly, and you'll get some crazier stuff. Look at this shit. Oh. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the most bullish sign in the history of bullish signs I've ever seen in my life in cryptocurrency. I'm not kidding. Like, I'm not exaggerating a little bit. These waves right here on the hourly, something fucking crazy is about to happen. Something so epic that I'm not sleeping tonight. I'm not going to bed tonight as Ethereum Classic hits $81. I am not going to bed tonight as I have 10,200 sitting there. This is fucking crazy. Anchor is the big bad stanker. And you know what? When it's Anchor's turn to do what this stuff is doing, as we only talk about what's exploding because it's important, I'm pissed I took profits, okay? Imagine being Wall Street Pete saying, yeah, you took profits, sir. I only took 25% profits. Why do you take 25% profits? Because of this. Because of this. This is why when everybody FOMOs in and your mama has din at the table ready for you to eat, it's time to eat. It's time to eat. Let's get it. This is what we do, Betty Lou. This is just what we do. We're going to $100. Anybody who took this, give yourself a round of applause. I mean, really. We were sitting here this morning, crack of dawn, and who is this paging me at 4 in the morning? Don't make me play a song. Don't make me do it. Don't make me do it, Kathy Pruitt. Don't make me do it. I'm excited. I said, what did I say earlier today? What did I say earlier today? I know I said it. Somebody please, before I play it. What did I say earlier today? Please help me. I know I said, and I can't even get it up because I'm so screwed up over this. I'm not even going to do it. I said, here comes the boom. I said, here comes the boom. Wow. I'll tell you right now, my portfolio can't calculate the money yet. My portfolio can't count the money, sir. My portfolio can't count the money, ladies and gentlemen. It can't. It can't count it. Ladies and gentlemen, we're witnessing history. I will not get scared of this fall. You understand me? Do you understand me? This is balls of steel. This is diamonds of steel. You need to pay attention to what I'm doing right here. Watch this. I'm confident. I ain't stressing. I am not stressing that that's falling right now. That thing is going to go through the moon. It is $15.2 billion to... Listen to me. Listen to me. It's getting a little ridiculous. It was $6 billion over the cap. We're $6 billion. This is common sense to me. This is nothing surprised. So get ready, cuz, oh yeah.
Here comes the. Here comes the. Here comes the.
Let's get it, fam. I know somebody in here took this long position. Wall Street Pete, do you have a bull market? I do. This channel does. This community kicks ass and takes names. Who's taking the next name? Because we got Elon Musk we trust.
Here comes the.
Understand what's happening right now. Seriously, as I'm getting foolish. Listen to me. This is the beginning. I'm telling you right now, this is the beginning of something. Let's pull it out. Let's find out what's really going on. You don't have much history on something like this when it has a new high. When it has a new high like this, you don't have history, but we do have a slight upward W formed here on the RSI. Here comes the boom. I played this for you not too long ago. I mean, really, to the moon soon. Maybe now. I don't know, because the relative strength index chart is not fair. What do I mean? It's not giving me any history of a successful smash through like that. We're about to create something new. I can't even do technical analysis on my indicator. This is nuts. We should just take all that and throw it in and buy it. Oh, I'm so sorry for screaming your ears up. One of my good friends is probably watching this live right now. He should be typing. He's talking about taking all this and buying something, and I can't take it no more. Do you want to FOMO? No, you can't FOMO. You cannot FOMO. Got 50 shares of ETH at $25. Damn, Dominic, let's go. What up, Rob? What up, George? What up, Antonio? What up, JJ's? George, Colin, what's going on, everyone? I'm sorry. I was just a little, excited as you would be if you got into this trade with me. You're excited with me. I want to congratulate everyone. Start watching my videos. Start liking, subscribing. Yeah, absolutely. Everything's breaking out. Listen. This is the time. These are the reasons why we hodl. What's hodl? Hodl is the crypto term we use to save our butt cheeks. Ladies and gentlemen, I was buying the dip. I was having a sip. I couldn't buy enough. Harmony, and now it's paying off. Harmony is now paying off. I'm going to be relaxing off Harmony. Thank you. I need Harmony to kick ass. I don't know when it's going to start happening. Maybe now. I don't know. I mean, I'm having a good day. Let's go. This could be an upward W somehow. Why? Because that tail that was talking bish went all the way down to there, and we stopped here. I mean, I could get it. If you look, this goes to here. I mean, if I do get this, people are going to actually start hating on me, I'm sure. But you should be having other tokens. You shouldn't get mad. You should be listening and taking my trades. I know we're an Ethereum fam, right? I know we're not just... what's up? I know we're not just an Anchor fam. There's no way. I told you to get Atari. Don't be a retari. Hit that like, subscribe. You have to. Yo, Pete, you got a Twitter. My bad if you answered. I had to jump off. Mike, you had me stuttering. I sounded like a fool. I was trying to give you the answer, what the name was. You're going to have to go back, man. It was like Pete at SictoCrypto. Twitter. Cheers, everyone. Let's enjoy some moonshots. Absolutely. This is going to be a bullish market here. If you pay attention, we went from 50,000. What do we do on this channel? We talk about Daddy, and we tell you what? Daddy has to have that plane landing. The plane has to be landing. This is what we talk about on my channel. It falls. This is a forwardly. Let's get to the hourly candles. Hourly, we're falling, right? But look at the bullish pattern. Do you see the bullish pattern, or are we just, you know what? It's crazy how if you don't do technical analysis and you watch something fall, your brain just watches the fall and doesn't understand what's happening. We went through a phase, a crazy bullish, high volatile wave. Remember when I just had a moment on Ethereum? Remember I just sat there with Ethereum itself, the actual Ethereum, as we're friggin' falling, but people are going to FOMO out. The whales are effing with you. Stop letting the whales F with you. We're 6 billion volume over the market cap. Stop it. We're still 5.7 billion over the market cap. Calm down. That's what I'm telling you. As my phone won't stop blowing up, you're going to kill my batteries. Please stop it. Oh, my God. So I'm trying to obtain 100 Ethereum. That's going to be my goal. I want to get 100 Ethereum. That's what I want. I don't know what you want, but Ethereum is now shooting its load down. This is what scares the world. This is what makes. This is what changes the men from the boys, the women to their little girls. You know what I mean? He got paid this Friday. I got paid every day. Every day I'm in SictoCrypto, I get paid. As long as I do a smart move, right? Don't sell out at $78 and get scared. Watch this. Look at this candle. This candle is intimidating. You're not going to intimidate Wall Street Pete. I've had thousands of dollars in my hands and it disappeared in seconds. I've been through some shit, okay? This is not going to scare me. I'm not saying, oh, no, this guy's crazy. Don't fuck with him. This guy, I don't care if he loses his shirt. No. Don't listen to that part of your soul. Listen, we're here to make sick dough in crypto. The opposite, right? We want to make sick dough in crypto, but we want to make real money. Right now, it's sick dough in crypto. We need real money. We need to make this. This is real money here. This is no joke. People are starting to realize they're starting to FOMO in. The people are starting to come in and starting to see, oh, come on in. Check this out. I should have sold out here something. This is why you take profits. When it spiked to 89 like that and we hit some type of resistance up here, I will now be doing this. Listen to me right now. Listen to me well if you have Ethereum Classic. Wall Street Pete will be putting a sellout at the bottom of this lip right here. $88, I'm selling some out. I am no longer going to watch my portfolio go to the moon, to the ground, to the moon, to the ground, to the moon, to the ground. When is this going to stop and what's driving it? $6 billion. $6 $6 billion, Mo. Oh, it's Mo. Yes, Mo. $6 billion is driving this. That's exactly what's driving it. That's how much. Yes, that's your answer. See the volume? You want to see the volume on another price of something else? Let's look at the price of something else. Let's go to the Harmony token, the one. Okay, let's go to the one. He's following me. He found me on Twitter. Awesome. Harmony token. So what's going on with the Harmony token? Well, we were at 99 million, 120 million, now back to 130 million. We will soon be back to 140 million like we were, and we'll be back to the 13.5 price, probably 14.5 price, seeing some resistance on one. If you notice how much volume is over into the market cap, there's 130 million. How many times can that go into the market cap? Well, there's your price. Okay, I get an understanding with the circulating supply of 9.5 billion. We have a shit ton going around. This is not a scarcity coin at all. I love Harmony. I know what it does. I'm excited because I know what it does. I do my research. We have 10 reasons why Harmony is a good buy. I have 10 of them. You can check them out. Just got to Google. Not Google, just got to go back to my old videos, hit the like, subscribe, hit the like button, please, as our algorithm is going through the roof. When I get 1,000 subscribers, we're going to be giving off some prizes soon. We're going to be laying in my bed together live on my phone watching what Elon Musk is going to do. And if we don't get 1,000 subscribers by May 8th to see what Elon's going to do, we're going to go watch it on TV. I'll pull a TV out here at my computer desk, and we're going to do it that way. Either way, we're going to watch Elon Musk. We're going to see what he does on Saturday Night Live. We're going to be Saturday Night Live as I sit here and watch my money go boom, boom, bang, bang, bye, bye, bye. I'm getting annoyed, right? This is going to happen. You're going to pay attention to what? We're going to go back, as I just taught someone what was going on. Go to ETC. Yeah, you know, mother effing me. 80 cents here. Can't even catch up on the fall. I'm still 5.7 billion over the volume into the market cap. I'm sitting here strong all day long. I'm not scared. When this 15 billion falls down to 10 billion, we'll start talking panic. We'll take little chicken out, and he could come out and start getting scared. I'm sorry, my phone's dying. It's going insane right now. All right, so this is what we pay attention to on this Wall Street P Sicto Crypto channel. I love this community. I couldn't done it without you. Please hit the like, subscribe. If you are new to the channel and you have not gotten the Pi Network on your phone, you need to get this immediately. It's called PD Guns. That's the invitational code for the Pi Network, the first smart mining on your phone. You need to get into there. I'm telling you right now, it's an invite code. Create your own code, and it's free money. What's happening here is there was a lot of resistance at this price, $89 to $90, specifically 89. So at 89, we got the worst resistance you've ever seen in your life. Let's put it that way. We'll put ourselves down here. I'm going to tell you right now, this is going to be a problem, this price. I'm not worrying about it falling. I'm talking, you might want to buy right now. If you want to buy something and you see it going to $78 and it was just at 89 2 seconds ago, I feel like you could buy a couple shares. This is called buying a dip. I mean, it really is. In 10 minutes, we're staying in 10 minutes. You know that. In 10 minutes, we're getting a new candle on the hourly. You're going to want to stay for this. I don't care what the market's doing. I don't care what's going on. I'll bet anybody at this price, and I could be wrong. I could lose a bet. But I'm willing to tell you that I'm willing to sell some at this price. Not 89, 88. 88, where I'm down here, so let's not get this effed up. I'm telling you right here, I'm willing to let you know I'm going to sell some out at this price as immediately we are falling. Yes, when we get this next candle, if it's not green and it's not going to be a big green candle, I'm going to be a little concerned. So then I'll look at the Bitcoin dominance like I wanted to do. That's what I wanted to do. This is the hourly. What's the Bitcoin? We're under 50. This is crazy. We are under 50 on the Bitcoin dominance. It doesn't look good. What's up, John? He says, "What? You must not have any, or you must have sold it too early." Yes, sir. We're going to probably go to $100 soon. I don't know when it's going to take because it depends on where this money is FOMOing out. Right now, people are going ballistic out of this coin. What do we got to do here? We have to pay attention to what's happening. 15.5, we're 6.7 billion over the market cap. So I'm comfortable with that until I see a lot of money coming out. All right, so 100 million came out. That's what happened. But look at the price. Look at the price. We are 6 billion.1 over the market cap. Can you do math? I hope I can, and I don't sound like a jerk right now. Basically, yeah. So you put the 0.1 in front, 100 million, and now you have the 0.4 at the end of the other 0.4. That's how you do quick math, and then you add the 5 to the 1, and there you go. You got your 6.1. So you're getting more increased on the volume. The volume is increasing because the price is dropping. So therefore, the market cap is falling. And when the market cap falls, you're basically getting it at a cheap. If this doesn't start going up, it's doing the same thing. So yes, okay, I see what's happening now. We are getting some significant resistance. We are definitely getting it. The whole market is getting some type of resistance. Something, I'm telling you, when I seen this is, I don't know if you were here a little bit ago. Yeah, that's why a dollar cost average out. I never liquidate my full profits unless I have a plan for such to buy a dip. It's not funny. I went over this and said this is such a bullish high volatile move. This is going in the upward trend. I'm confident. What do we do here? We could just go to the Ethereum and click on the price for the Ethereum, and it comes right here because it's mommy. It's 62 billion. I don't remember where we were. I want to say we were at about 64 billion.7. So yes, we are falling a little there. Some profits were taken. We were at 400 billion market cap. I remember that. We're just going to keep testing that. That's going to keep doing a little repeat until either shatters through the moon or it shatters somebody's brain. I don't know which one's going to happen first. Usually the brain gets shattered first. People get weak emotionally, and that's what happens right here. I'm still holding. That's awesome. That's what you got to do. Does anybody want to go over anything right now? Please hit the like, subscribe. Dogecoin is going through the roof. I know we're going to hit $1 Dogecoin. I've been talking nothing but $1 Doge. I mean, all this is doing is just sitting here at this price, getting nice. All this is, listen to me. Can I explain to you what's happening? Can I explain to you what Dogecoin's doing to make you feel better? I've been here before. This is a resting spot, okay? Did you ever climb up a mountain? This is how Wall Street Pete breaks it down, like Bobby Brown. I said that the Fibonacci sequence was going to take you where you needed to go. Well, now you adjust the Fibonacci sequence correctly. Now I can move all my spots. Now the golden Fibonacci, the golden pocket, has moved. It has now updated. It's now 51 cents. Do you now understand that when this hits 51 cents, I can buy more Doge out the butt? I can buy more Doge and be happy as hell about it. Why? Because this is the typical pullback. If it starts coming down here in this dark zone, we're screwed. If it comes down here, we're screwed. If the price comes down to the 44 cents, you already knew it was screwed. That's the real deal. But the Fibonacci sequence tells you that. That's my uncle. He is the Fibonacci man. What we're going to do here is we're either going to spike up some volume. So the price is going to stay the same, but people who wake up now, remember, there's people waking up all over the world. You're not the only bastard in this world. There's other people here too, When we go to sleep and the other people are waking up and they go to sleep, when they wake up from their nice sleep that they had here, because look, these were hourly candles. You know what? Let's do that. That makes a lot of sense. Can we make some sense here? Let's do the 4-hourly candle. Okay, here we go. We finally found some resistance here. So people went to sleep, right? What do we get? About 8 hours of sleep? So what's going to happen is you get, I don't know what people sleep anymore, but here's 2 hours, 2 candles of 4-hourly. And what it is this one just started. So we just started leveling off here. People couldn't have gone to sleep because of this wick. See how this wick went up? See how high this wick went? This wick was telling you that something significant was coming. They was talking ish. And people are going to wake up and they're going to start trading. And what's going to happen is this circle is going to get funneled in with more volume. And it's going to kick ass sea bass. Hit refresh, 62 billion volume. What's happening? We know if we go up in volume, 62, somebody sold 300 million. That's what happened. Just now, someone sold 300 million. You always dollar cost average in and out. If you don't, you're making a big mistake. You have to hold on, diamond hands. This is what I'm telling you. What happened here? I just told you this was talking bish right here, this little circle. This is talking more bish. Well, what's going to happen after a couple hours of more bish? I mean, I can't even put the sell in at what I'm at. Oh, my gosh. How many freaking messages? 13. Oh, man, I'm probably going to go to bed with 30 messages because I'm so tired after this. I'm going to put a stop in. Does anybody want me to go over my stops tonight? What Wall Street Pete is going to put his stop losses in tonight, a stop loss, a stop limit. I'm going to have a couple in. So I'm going to make sure that I cover my ass tonight when I go to sleep. I have money on the sideline, so if we do start dipping, I can buy. I do like to look for that, so I'll go here on the red. I'll look for some red. What is it? Bitcoin. I could probably buy some Bitcoin. It's probably too late now. What's happening? We're doing a bounce back. This is one of the nicest hours from 8 o'clock ever. You understand that the hour is about to change in 3 minutes? The hourly candle is about to change in 3 minutes. Look what just happened to Bitcoin. We're actually going to get some real notifications here of what's happening, some confirmation. This is crazy. Interesting. I'm going to hold a core amount of ETC long, but taking some profits as well. I never met a person, I never met an investor who made money by taking profits. You understand me? You have to. You have to do that, or you will be pissed. Because what happens when you get these trends, when you get these downward trends, they feel like forever. I feel like anybody watch the movie? What's the movie with the baseball kids? Sandlot? Forever, ever, ever. I'm really serious. These downward trends will put you in a downward spiral, man. A downward spiral like you wouldn't believe. They could ruin your whole week. They could ruin your month. It gets bad. Get the likes in, please, as Andrew reminds everyone. Please. Joe, what's up? For news was just all over Ethereum. I hope you have Ethereum, Joe. I told you to buy Ethereum. You know, Joe, I said get as much Ethereum, ADA. What did I tell you? Some engines, some mana. I mean, I was a big fan. These top lists right here, they don't sit here because I think they suck. These top lists, as you go down, they're less important to me except for Chainlink. Chainlink is going to have to do something here in my list because we are liking Chainlink. Engine will be doing something. Filecoin is getting on the cheap again. I have to pay attention. There you go. I found my new buy. No lie. The problem is I cannot buy Filecoin on the platform. I have the money. How funny is that? That sucks. Wow. So now I either have to do fiat currency and transfer my money from Bitcoin or Ethereum over, or I have to find a new coin, or I have to wait for another dip or something, but everything's coming up right now. It's like the lottery. The lottery's hitting. I may go buy Chainlink. Let's see. Oh, yeah, Chainlink is going back up. Oh, yeah. Oh, without a doubt. Chainlink is looking great. Chainlink looks wonderful. All right, so let's take a peek, right? So my resistance is going back down. Yeah, you're getting that diamond. See how the diamond's connected? I talked about this on my channel. I said when these diamonds start getting bigger and they connect, oh, my Lord, I didn't see my own diamonds. Look what's happening. I'll stop buying. I'm not buying into this. This is FOMOing into Chainlink. We have a broken section. It's going to explode. That's what I mean. It's opening up. It's opening up to eat. You see it? You see Pac-Man opening up? These are my diamonds on my direct movement index chart. Hit that like if you only knew what this shit could do for you, how you could make money. If I seen this on Chainlink, I would have bought this a while ago. I'm not saying I'm going to FOMO in. I'm going to see what my indicators are telling me. What you do, you need to find your strength. Find your relative strength index. This couldn't be any more bullish. Damn, Sam. What are we going to? The tip here has happened a couple times. This seems to be a spot. 71. We're rising. We're on the rise if you see it. We're on the rise. What am I talking about? My relative strength index chart, each peak is higher. Each peak is higher except for that one, but then we get a double peak. You see the double peak? See the peak? It got lower. All of a sudden a double peak. I don't know what the hell that was about. And we fell, and now we're getting this, probably this W. Like, I could see that on the relative strength too. This is looking good on Chainlink. If you have, yeah, here it is. Here it comes. Yep. This is hilarious. The market's going bananas. That's what's happening. Here comes Ethereum, right? What else are we talking about? We talk about Dogecoin. We have to see what ETC is doing. It's getting a new candle on the hourly. What is it doing? Well, it's green. That's what I wanted to see. That's why I wanted to stay here for the next candle. I mean, not for nothing, but it'll turn red to scare you. But it's going to be a battle. This was some crazy pull down resistance. This could have been your tell right here. It was talking a lot of crap that I wanted to go up. but there's too much over the market cap to get scared. That's what I'm trying to teach. This is not it. This is the other Ethereum, ETC, like we talk. One last time before I go. Hit that like, subscribe. We're 50. Wow. We're 6.2 billion over. We were 6.1. We're going 100 million more over the volume. If you get out of it, if you get out of ETC, you're going to lose money for free. You're going to lose free money. I would not do that. I would definitely keep staying in on ETC right now. I'm telling you, this is crazy. I know. I never thought I'd be telling people. What's the best dip price for ETC now? Well, this is what the Fibonacci pullback is for. When you get a red candle, when I get a red candle, I'll get a pullback, and I'll know when we're done being bullish. So point to the red candle, and I'll tell you where we're going to stop. I'm not kidding. This is not a joke. Like, I'm not one of those pumpers. I'm not one of those pumpers. I'm not that guy. This is insane what's happening, ladies and gentlemen. I told you I'm going to stand here and watch it hit 89, and I'm going to have the cojones to sit here and watch it fall and know that the next candle is going to be all right. Every little thing is going to be all right. Right? What's his name? We're going to worry about Bob and Marley. Don't worry about a thing. Wall Street Pete said everything is going to be all right. I mean, it's true, right? I feel like it. ETC versus ADA to buy now. That's a good question. To buy now, I would buy ETC. Why? Let's take a peek before I answer that. All right, so we're gonna hit refresh. We're 6.2 billion volume over the market cap. So I don't care what it is. Now we're 6.5 billion. We're almost 7 billion over the market cap. I would probably buy ETC. I have money and I gotta buy more. All right, I'm gonna do it live. I'm doing it live. I'm not even FOMOing in. How does that sound? I'm not FOMOing into Chainlink, but I'm buying. I'm buying. You know why? Because everything is telling me that this is bullish, not Chainlink. I'm sorry. Wow, I almost bought the wrong thing because I'm getting so excited. You see what you do here? You get excited and you get emotions. And I know I'm not buying on emotion. I know that I fell to 78 and I'm comfortable to 77 and I'm watching. See, now it was just 70. It's pumping around. It's going crazy. So now I'll buy what I want to buy. It's getting cheaper. It's falling. And this is good for me. Why? Because I want more. So I'm going to wait. I'm watching the price fall. Okay, let's get it this time. Actually didn't let me this time now. It's not that it's not letting me. The price is fluctuating so fast that every time I go to put in the buy, the price already changed, and I have to put in a limit to buy it. So what are we going to do? We're going to go to the price right here. I'm going to put a price limit in. I'm going to buy it at 78 flat. So $78, I'm going to put a buy price in at 78, and I have some money on the sidelines, so I go 100%. I put it in, yes. So now when I hit $78 flat, it won't do it now because I just did that. I just effed myself. I was trying to get it for that price. Hopefully it does. It says it's $77.97, so my order may have filled. I don't know if that was an old. Yes, my order filled. Yes. Awesome. Okay, so I bought it. I got my order filled at $78. That's what I just did. I just bought some more. Are you liquidating one? I wrote F no. Am I going to take a loss? Does Wall Street Pete take a loss? Does a bear shit in the woods and not leave it there? It leaves it there. ETC or Litecoin right now. So we said ADA. Hold on. Let me help my buddy. So here we go. And I'm going to help you, my buddy. So we're going to go to ADA. See, ADA is a hodl coin. So how could you ask me that question? ADA is a hodl coin. What is it doing versus the... No, see what I mean? If right now we were 6 billion over the market cap, what would we be doing? We'd be talking about buying both right now. It's a crazy ride. You got to enjoy it. This is still a good buy. This is a cheap buy. Ethereum, not Ethereum. Cardano is going to be like Ethereum. That's my point. We're going to be like, if you invest and have the balls or have the patience to hold this. I don't have the patience to hold this right now. I bought it at 58 cents in January. I bought it at that point. I made my money. I pumped my easy pump coin. That's why I get excited when I see coins like this and I see tokens over the volume, over the market cap, because I know that when I get to ETC, so now let's get to Litecoin, because that's a really good question. I like Litecoin. I'll be honest with you, I wanted to buy Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash, I wanted to buy it at 585. That's exactly what it was, because I remember. I wanted to buy Bitcoin Cash at 585. I'm talking a lot of money. When? January. When it was, because I know, because I was trying to buy it then. I'm disgusted. I could have bought it at 489. This is what I'm talking about. If you had patience for 4 months, 5 months now, you could double your money, but that's just one coin. We could have done a lot more percentage-wise in and out of the market, right? You could have got up here. You could have sold again, 1,200. I mean, this is insane. You almost think we're dreaming. We're not dreaming. This is real life. Ethereum's going through the roof. Litecoin. Let's go to Litecoin. I promised you next. Litecoin. Litecoin looks great. I remember when I was going to buy it for 250. I did buy it for 250. It looks amazing. Litecoin looks beautiful. Litecoin looks sexy. Mwah, I love you too much, Litecoin. From this perspective, this looks good. I'm not into the charts yet. I'm looking at this. It's saying that 12 billion. We have 22 billion. It's a respectively amount. Almost, a little curling over half. 55% over. It's looking healthy. 66 million. I mean, that's a circulating supply of a small amount versus what we're doing on the market cap and the volume. Litecoin is a cryptocurrency that uses a faster payment confirmation schedule and a different cryptographic algorithm than Bitcoin. It's just another high advanced. So Bitcoin is your 1990 vehicle, and the new Teslas are your Litecoin, Ethereum. This is the problem. Ethereum is the Tesla. Bitcoin is the old 1990 station wagon. That's the problem. All these new networks, this high volatile wave shit is going to start going through the roof. I don't know if you understand. That's a good one. Litecoin's very nice. Oh, yeah. I would never tell you Litecoin's no good. Litecoin's nice. Excuse me. This was full today. Drink your water. So follow me on Instagram if you don't have that. That will help you out a lot. We have fun on Instagram. Atari's looking fresh. I'll be honest with you. Harmony won. I'm excited. He said, am I going to sell my Harmony? Why am I sell my Harmony? I'm about to explode. He wrote, ha ha. You want to believe these comments that I have with my friends? These are real. These are real comments. He said, do you want to sell your Harmony? Can you see that? I don't think you can. I wrote F no. He wrote ha ha. Like, we have so much harmony together. Together we can move harmony. Like, what? We are harmony. What is that song? My left are my sisters with me. Family. We are family. I told you. That reminds me of Harmony, the Harmony song. We are harmony. So pay attention to Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic is going to do something as it's turning into a red candle. What are we going to do then when it does that kind of stuff? I go to the price. I told you this is what I do. I go back and forth. I told you to give you a headache, but this is what I do because I know we're still chilling for Rillin. I am 6.5 billion volume over the market cap. I could go to sleep, and as long as I know Elon Musk, and we trust, does not take out $10 billion tonight on this coin, I know that I'm chilling for Rillin. And I could go to sleep, and I can put my stop in at the price I want. What price would I put it in? Let's see what my buddy said on that back. Loved an image. Oh, I'm sweating my ass off. It's so hot. I'm about to turn the air conditioning on. Sister Sledge, thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am, whoever that may have been. What's up, Jordan? I see you in here. So we are getting a pullback. All right, here we go. We could finally, if this was it, here we go. We're finally doing it, ladies and gentlemen. Ethereum Classic is finally getting its nice little pullback here. This is it. This is cool. I remember when we were here and I was wondering, I don't know if you realize, but I was actually scared for Ethereum Classic right here. I thought we were going to get an inverted head and shoulders. And then right here, and it would inverted, and that would have been the end of our run. Instead, what happened? It said, "Hello, hasta la vista, baby." It's pretty much what it did. This up here is giving me something. I was talking a lot of shit up here, so now I'm hoping we're going to be back up there. Well, no, I'm not hoping. I sound like everyone else, right? Hit that like. We got to get the algorithm moving. If you've not hit the like button, please smash the like button. We're talking about classic Ethereum. We're talking about Crypto and crypto. What are we talking about? We talk about Anchor once in a while. We're talking about Cardano, Litecoin, Dogecoin. Dogecoin looks sexy as hell right now. Wow. It's about to maybe break off. Pay attention. We have to watch that. That is about to break out. If I could just look at the way it's going, there's no tip that's supposed to start above here at this resistance line that we have started. If you don't realize, in the very, very, very short term time that we've been up here, we have established a resistance price. If it starts breaking through this resistance price, it's gone again. I'm just letting you know. That's the Dogecoin price. I will go over here if you want and make it happier, and we can go this 4 times on TradingView, make it 2 times and make the line a little thinner. This is pretty sweet. I'm telling you right now, I'm a big fan of this. I think it's going to keep hitting the resistance. It's going to calm down. The only way to really, really find out is to see if the volume is getting smashed in. How do we do that? Well, we keep doing this. That's why I like Coinbase so much. Yeah, that's it. That's a wrap. 38.4 billion. We're going to start heading to 40 billion soon. We're going to start heading to 40 billion volume soon. Do you hear me? I remember when the market cap was 40 billion. There's only 129 billion. Oh my God, there's a trillion of them. That's a lot. Mike Mitchell Anderson, happy someone is streaming this. I'm up almost 900 in 3 days. Damn. I'm up almost $2,000 in 10 hours. I'm not trying to brag or piss on your parade. I really don't want to do that. Please don't take that. I'm just saying, like, that's what I just got done saying before I did this show. I'm up more now, and I'm like, is it going to stop too? I'm like asking myself questions like, listen, Mitchell, hit that like, subscribe, man. We're one of the best channels, one of the best communities. We are awesome. We have some great people who talk in here. We are growing. I just started this channel maybe 3 months ago, and we're at 1,000 pretty much. I know we're going there. We're going to the moon, and we're going soon. Crypto in crypto. Pay attention to Chainlink, as Chainlink is finally going to say goodbye too. I think it's mimicking what Dogecoin's kind of doing. It's either hitting the resistance, it's either shit or get off the pot. That's kind of what we're at right now. If you see this, I'm not letting no red candle scare me. I will buy the red candle. I'll go buy more. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. I couldn't have done it without all of you, to be honest. I really couldn't have done it without all of you. 888. No way. You're a liar. I did not know that. That's really cool. That's a cool number. Can I tell everyone a story? Really fast? I had a friend, I swear, in Jersey. We're hanging out in Jersey in Tom's River. So anybody who's in Tom's River. A good friend of mine named Tom, he passed away this year. Of course, my whole life is a tragic event, adversity, just like everybody else. We're going to Atlantic City. And he says, I got to wait for this pick 3 to go out. I said, shut up, you gambling jerk. Let's go to Atlantic City. Bro, I want to root for this 888. I played the lottery today, 888. I said, dude, let's get the F out of here. You know what I mean? What are the chances? If I didn't sit on that TV screen with him like a jerk and watch the 888 come out, and now he's gone. He was a special person, and he just passed away. He hasn't been even gone for more than 5 months, really. So it's crazy how life works. But listen, life is good. I have angels all over me watching. I have more angels than I know what to do with. I'm waiting for wings to grow out of my ass. I have so many angels up there. Listen to me. We're doing big things. Bitcoin's moving. When Bitcoin is done moving, the rest of this place is going to explode more. If you've not heard the song, here comes the boom. Yeah, no doubt. Buy some BNB. BNB was huge. This was a favorite of mine. I'm expected to break out of here. There's no M coming here. I'll tell you right now, you want to know how I got the confirmation? Because the M is smaller and it falls. Well, you don't have an upward M ever. I've never seen an upward M. Do one of these. I'm not kidding. It may sound corny. It may seem stupid. We are going up right now. We are going to change everything that's been happening. The Bitcoin is going up. The Bitcoin dominance should be perking up or should have been perking up. We'll go to the Bitcoin dominance. We need to desperately find a 50%, not a 50%, a 50 point move here. What is 50? Well, I hate to break it to you. We got some momentum. We need a lot of movement and action. The last time we were there was May 1st. We have to seriously do something here. This is not really that great. I'm not really too happy about this, but if you look, that was the last time we were at the 50-point dominance. We need to be there to be bullish. We really do. Please hit that like, subscribe. As if anybody held their NKN and closed their eyes, you'll be happy to know that NKN is coming up. I was just going to do Matic. That's kind of weird. I really was. I was just going to do Matic just now. Chainlink is killing it. Chainlink is absolutely killing. I guess Dogecoin is too then. They were mimicking each other. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, it's going. Get ready. Dogecoin is going, ladies and gentlemen. We just looked at it where I put this resistance line. See the resistance line? I said we'll make it shorter, and if Dogecoin tries to pop through, let's see if we can poke through. What do we need to really poke through to get something nice on that? 57.7. I'm just letting you know. So any of my Dogecoin followers, that's the price I just popped up. 57.7 you need to get going on that. If it breaks through, as we're breaking through 55,000 on the Bitcoin, what is Anchor doing? Anchor, oh, shenanigans. Anchor's getting back to the 16. Okay. All right. There we go. A little bit of respect. $50 chain link. No doubt. That's definitely a automatic. Speaking of Matic. So where is Matic? I know we just seen it. I'm looking at all the prices of everything because they're gonna moon right now. Did we ever talk about the Tigger bounce? Did you ever see me talk about this? Because I always talk about this. This is really important. I don't know if many people really follow me or understand me the way I do things. It's kind of funny, but this is important stuff that I follow, I write, I keep. We get the NBA packs. Oh, get your reserve pack for the NBA tomorrow. That's important. Look at this. I mean, really, can this really not mean any more? Poverty leaving your body. I mean, that was 3 days ago. Could you imagine what the price was of? I'm telling you, if this doesn't make you feel good, this is the stuff I share. I mean, I know it's a stupid picture, but we talk about a lot of technical analysis. We do charts. We do fundamentals on there. Instagram's a fun place to be. I just want you to know that this is not going to stop here. Holy cow, I'm shaking my leg out of excitement. I'm pretty excited. What's going to happen in the immediate term? It's saying we're about to go down on Chainlink. But the problem is the resistance is getting lower. The orange line here on Chainlink. I got to go to Matic. I know I promised you, and I just can't seem to find Matic. I'm an addict with cryptocurrency. There it is. So Matic, everyone wants. Oh, damn. Woo! Look at this. Looky. All right. So what do I say on my direct? This is the direct movement index chart. On the direct movement index chart, when you start getting a diamond in here, as you do, you see the diamonds? Well, the next one has to form a diamond and connect. If you see here, there's a hole. I don't have my second diamond connect. I don't expect the price to move dramatically. This is my daytime trader. I daytime trade with this thing. If you want to make sick though in crypto, you may want to get this trading view and then the direct movement index chart. It's going to tell me the direction of the movement of the chart. Could you imagine? Could you imagine something so simple? Listen, this is your blue. This is your buying power. This is your resistance. I always do my resistance. When I go to a chart and I open it up, I find my resistance. I find my support. What the hell are we talking about? If you've never heard of this, well, go right here. We do our colors. We do color coordination. That is definitely a support. How friggin' funky funny is it that the support is turning into a resistance now? Do you see it? So we have to break through the resistance. You understand old support can become new resistance. It's no coincidence, no matter how much money was funneled in here, that there was some type of resistance at the moment. I'm not saying it can't break through because I see my buying power going up, crossing through my resistance, which is telling me good news. My support line, which is the purple, is the support. So at one point we were bouncing, right? Bouncing, support, bouncing off your support. Finally broke through our support. What hell happened? Hell. Went through hell, fell down. There it is. So I'm just letting you know you got to pay attention to these things. Dr. Reed said he bought more at 74.5. He's talking about ETC. Yeah, you know, mother effing me. That's not over. But I just wanted to teach you that. We will start breaking through at Matic. I can't do too much on it. Okay, look. Dogecoin's breaking through, like I said. What did I say about 4 minutes ago? If 57 starts breaking through this resistance that we established very short term, we could see a new price. We could see a new banger. There you are. I'm out. 38.4 billion. That's what we just looked at on the volume. Did we put any more money? No. $100 million got taken out. Somebody took a profit on this jump. So I'm wondering if we're going to get resistance on the 58 now. If we are, I want to take some money out. I don't see an upward W, so I'm going to do that. Yes, Wall Street Pete is actually going to take some profits right this second on Dogecoin. I swear I am. I'm selling. I'm selling Dogecoin. You heard it here first. I'm selling half my portfolio. Yep, at 58 cents. I know it's going up. If it doesn't, it's all good. WSP, call it. Litecoin. You want to talk Litecoin? Let's do it. All right. That's what we're talking about. I don't know if that's what everyone's trying to get at. I now have ammo. I'm excited. Even if this Dogecoin price goes up, I dollar cost averaged out my profits at the top of a green candle. I did not FOMO out. I did not get scared. And I did certainly not screw myself by taking money, even though I have a confident feeling that this is going up. I really do, and I'm confident I'm going to buy something else on the dip. This is what I do. Now, it's going to go up. Beautiful. Let's go. Test the 60 cents. I may sell more out. I don't care. Now, I'm paying attention to Ethereum. Ethereum Classic, I may buy more on this dip. 75, I may just put a buy in at 75. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. See how this works? They're taking turns. What do I do? Well, I buy it at 75. So I'm FOMOing in at 75, right? But I'm taking profits from a coin that I know I had profits already. That's key. That is key right now. You have to understand that. So there we go. Bought in a little more at 74. There it is. I just said 74. Is it jumping down that fast? I'll just dollar cost average in then if it's going to keep falling down that quick. So what do we do here? All right, everybody wants to know what is happening, Wall Street Pete. You're not talking. You're not telling us what the hell's going on. All right, so we're going to go down to the bottom lip and we're going to pull out my Uncle Fib. My Uncle Fib stopped here. This could be some resistance we might have problems with, but the problem is we won't. It's because we're too overbought. This damn coin has 6.5 billion money flying into it because everyone believes in the Ethereum name. It has Ethereum attached to it. That's what I was trying to tell you. You could say Ethereum shoot, poopy, donkey, crappy, poppy, doopy, and it wouldn't matter. It could say dick bag on it. It wouldn't matter. Point more in is 9. We're still 6.3 billion over. This is too much. This is too much over. We got another one. What is he saying? We got another one. I'm so confused. What is he talking about? Oh, I took profits on ETC at 81, 79, and 77. Damn. Look at you going ham on let's go. Let's go, baby. Take them profits, baby. I've never seen anybody take profits and pay for it. Never seen anybody lose money doing that. That's a fact. I still have money on the sidelines. So when Ethereum goes up, when Classic goes back to the $90, I will be in making more shares. I am now going to keep this money on the sidelines now for when I'm ready to buy a dip. Hit that like, subscribe, hit the like. We need this algorithm going through the moon. We're going to the moon and we're going soon. This is Boring Sideways Action. I just got done telling everyone, Boring Sideways Action, it's going to possibly go up. People are going to be buying. The volume will go up. And what will happen with the volume on the Dogecoin, you'll see that price will definitely go up from the $38.3 billion on the volume. What the hell is Wall Street Pete talking about? I'm talking about the $38.3 billion of volume. If it goes up, I know that I'm still okay. I'm paying attention. Oh, it hit 81 on Bitforex. Nice. Okay. It's amazing how different. It's amazing how different some of these things are. I'm looking at Chainlink real quick. Chainlink is starting to do something. It's starting to give a little leeway up. This could be going very parabolic, everyone. I see some parabolic movement coming. I mean, it's already been doing it all day. It's already been doing it. Chainlink is, this is, remember what I said with Ethereum? Remember I said I got so excited? I said, oh, look at these high volatile waves. It's going to explode. Well, that's where Ethereum's at right now. Does anybody want to buy Ethereum right now and just make a shoot ton of money? Because that's what's, look. I mean, really, I'm not kidding. It's going to explode again. I don't know how. I did it already, I thought. Well, what do? Go to the direct movement index, try to confirm it. What do I see? I see my resistance going down, orange. I see my buying power doing an immediate friggin' VJ up. My support team is falling down. So what's going to happen? When this purple comes all the way up, this purple line, this price is going to say, see you later, alligator. These points are up way too high. There's too much high volatile waves coming. There's a high volatile wave action coming. I learned about the deviation. This is average deviation. How to find the formula for average deviation. If I taught you it, it would take a while. I may do a subscription charge on how to teach average deviation. Maybe I should do that. If you like, listen to me, hit the like button. If anybody wants to learn about average deviation is a very important part of the high volatile market. Average deviations. So it's really important on what this is. You need to learn this formula. It's a mean of average. 1 second. So the average deviation pretty much is very important. This mathematical equation I can teach you. I probably would have to do a class for this. This would be a little too much to do for free. It's a lot. There's so much involved in what it would do. There's an observation. Numbers of observations is 8. What am I talking about? I'm talking about the observations of the high, the historical volatility. Where is it? Historical volatility, the HV. Here it is. It's your indicator. When I click on my historical volatility, I get observations. When I click on this, each one will tell me, when I click, there it is. See? How many dots? 1. There's 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7 observations here, and you would get a formula on the top of these observations. It's historical volatility is what it does. It basically is a formula that measures the average deviation. And I'll tell you right now, if you knew how to do this, you could probably tell when the market's getting ready to explode. I did this once. I practiced, and the night I was practicing it and figured it out, Bitcoin went from 50,000 all the way to 55,000 the same night. I don't know if you remember that. And I cracked the formula. I lost my mind. I went crazy. I was jumping up and down like a little nut job. I couldn't believe I figured it out. I'm not impressed with Matic. Matic, people are leaving Matic. I don't think you understand. People are leaving all these coins. Mana, they don't care. Cardano, they don't really care much. It's still going up. That's good. They care about Dogecoin. They care about Ethereum Classic. They care about Ethereum. And they are caring somewhat about Bitcoin. All of the money of Bitcoin is getting FOMO'd out of Bitcoin and going into Ethereum. That's what's happening. So, I mean, just, do a shout out if you want to learn about the average deviation, maybe on Instagram, maybe shoot me a question, say, hey, what do I do to get a private lesson? I'm not going to smack people over the head. It's going to be a simple $15, $14.99, $10.99, something stupid. I'm going to figure out how much is going to be put into this, how much you're going to learn, and how much is it actually worth to take it. We'll do a Zoom class. We'll have up to 30 people in the Zoom. We'll have Mr. Fix-It. We'll have Wall Street Daddy in, and then we'll just go. So it is what it is. He wants to hear music. You don't want to hear the music. I'm not doing any music. I am checking something, though. But anyways, listen, this is very important. We're going to break through this downward trend spike. I'm going to put the red lines here to give you a little understanding. We do color coding. I'm going to leave you with a price tonight. We're going to see, I believe we're going to see over $100 of the Ethereum Classic. It's going to happen. It's inevitable. I think before we know it, as Mr. Dr. Reed told me, paging Dr. Reed, he was telling me that he believes that there should be 10% Ethereum Classic. So he believes that. So listen up. This is crazy, because I believe in what he's saying. He believes that this should be 10%. Now, what is going on here? The Fibonacci sequence. The golden pocket is right here. I want to help you. But he believes it should be 10% of what Ethereum is. That doesn't make any sense. $70. You can buy this at $70 a possibility. I don't believe it. Why I don't believe this? Because we're 6.5 billion, 6.3 billion over the market cap. So I expect the next candle to do something like this. Why? Because we're finally getting, look what happened. We got our one red long wick candle down. We're getting it now. Buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip. As it gets closer, I'm going to, you know what? I'm going to put a buy order in at 70. I'm going to put a buy order right in the middle of here. 71.7. Watch this. I'm just going to put it in. I don't know if it's going to happen. Dylan versus Doug. Been in here 30 minutes and I've learned a lot. Easily subbing. I love people, man. You know what, though? That's what the human person does. You'll either slash me to death and want to kill me when I'm wrong, or you will just love me up until I'm right. It's the original ETH. Yeah, there you go. Look at Dr. Reed telling you. Look at Dr. Reed throwing in some quick information that Wall Street Pete missed to say. I love Dr. Reed. He's the man over there. That guy's something else. He's a good dude. He knows his stuff. Pay attention to what he's saying. Who's holding it down? Somebody's holding it down. I think it's Elon. Elon's holding everything down. Elon had a meeting, and Elon said, guys, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to sell our Bitcoin, and then we're going to go buy some Ethereum Classic. Get that up, because the Ethereum matches the name of the Ethereum that's already got a name. It's the finance. Does anyone understand that Ethereum is the finance of the crypto market, of the crypto world? Ethereum, if you don't have, listen up really, really fast, because if you don't listen, this is the most important part of the video. If you don't own 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 shares of Ethereum after July 2021, you're going to be fucking disappointed. You understand me? He said that's great. I love it too, Alex. It's going to be amazing. If it happens, don't get cocky. That doesn't always happen, Captain. This resistance is falling here on the Ethereum, but the Ethereum Classic, that would be helpful to know. Let me go to the Ethereum Classic real quick. Notice how it made my top 3. All of a sudden, nobody cared about Ethereum Classic. Now it's on my top 3 watch list. Now we give a shit, right? Now all of a sudden we care about this coin. Oh, we're going to make a couple thousand. Oh, now I care. Oh, now I love you. Now, please, let me suck your, you know what? I love how it works, right? It's what have you done for me lately? It works that way in life. It really is the truth. Look, we're in the meat of the candle, the middle of the red candle. We're showing so much pullback up that it's dying so hard to not fall. It's hilarious. What's up, Paul? There's one of my buddies. Paul has been making sick dough in crypto, he told me, like crazy. Only on here he's been talking about it. I don't speak to him any other time. But I'm happy to hear that. Can I take a peek live? Am I allowed to do that, or is that something not allowed? I don't know if that's like a bad thing or something. I want to go to my channel. I want to see how many subscribers I have. You guys have me all excited. I don't really look like that. I used to. The more it grew, I kind of stopped. Why don't I see it? Am I really that blind? Oh, wow. It says 878. I know it's a little off probably. Wow, that's a lot. Thank you so much, everybody. I couldn't have done it without you. Yeah, you learned a lot. This is free. This is a free course. Me to Jazz. Jasmine Jackson. Get ETC at $12. Oh, got ETC at $12. That's impressive. ETC to 300. That's what I said. That's what I said, Andrew. I'm not kidding. Hit that like, subscribe. I said Ethereum is trading. Okay? What is it? What is Ethereum trading, everyone? What's Ethereum trading? Okay, what's 10% of that? 3333. So what do I expect in reality? And this is called reality? I'm calling this reality? Please, somebody pinch me. That's 10%. So you're going to tell me we're not going to keep going until we hit there? Yeah, no, you can't find a buy price. That's why the Fibonacci pullback is so important. Do you understand me? Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth? I bought more, and I felt like a jerk buying more. And I'm like, what am I doing? Am I FOMOing in? And I started almost second questioning myself on it. And I said, no, I'm doing the right thing. I'm following technical analysis. I'm not going on my gut. I'm not trading on emotion, right? I'm not getting over myself. I see a red candle. I would never, when I went on emotion and I traded before technical analysis, I would see a red candle and go, oh shit, it's time to sell immediately. As soon as that green turned red, sold. To the guy in the black suit wearing the Wall Street piece saying, do you have a bull market? What is wrong with him? It's still going higher. Why is he selling wearing a bull market? No, I don't do that no more. That's how it is. Uncle Fib, can you dig? It's the man stand with the plan. As I put my feet and toes into the sand, we're going to the moon and we're going soon. I promise this is where we're going. Right now I'm averaging 19, but that's because I got 200 more today. That's what's up. What is happening? $77. All of a sudden we're going back up again. All of a sudden we're parabolic again. I cannot buy enough of ETC, man. Mother effing you know me. What am I doing? I'm dollar cost averaging in because I'm a sick bastard. Yes, I am. Yep. I am. I admit it. I should have bought it when it was a little lower, and I'm going to buy more again if it turns red. Come on, go red. We're going to wait. I'm going to be off this channel. I'm going to have to keep buying until I don't know. Sheesh, is it too late to buy? No, it's not too late to buy. Right now, buy the red candle right now. Dollar cost average in. If you were going to buy 10 grand, buy 2,000 now. And then when it gets another red part, buy another 2,000. And just keep doing that until it's cheaper and cheaper on every 2,000 you buy. Just don't buy 2,000 more. I'm pulling 50% out at 83. I love it, Mike. You know what I'm doing? I'm pulling out right here. And I'm not talking about her. I'm talking about this line. I'm pulling out at $88. I'm actually putting a stop, and I'm going to bed. Now, it's not going there, Mike. Mike, listen up, brother, while you're driving, you sick Irishman. It's going to $88, and it's going to fall again. It's going to hit the same resistance we hit up here. Don't make me fight with you, bro. I'm telling you, bro, it's going to $88. Do not sell yourself short of that. If I were you, bro, I would probably sell at $85 then. Sell at 85, but whatever, 82, 83. What the hell does it matter at this point? We're making sick dough in crypto, really. What are we arguing about? A couple $100? We bought a friggin', what'd we buy? We bought a Donald Trump Duty Trump NFT art, and I lost $200 trying to transfer the money because something awful happened because the dickhead raised the price on the NFT art. Non-fungible token, you could raise the price. We went to go buy it on OpenSea View like this. I'm not kidding. This is a real story. Mike, can you confirm this? Can you confirm this for me? It says it's a scam. You know what? I'm starting to wonder if it is a scam because we got screwed. OpenSea, they were saying, is one of the biggest places with Bleeple. He's one of the best artists out there, but I went to go buy an art. I went to go buy the Donald Duty Trump art. There it is. It's an engine. It's on engine. Oh, there it is. We went to go buy that. Right? Tell him. I went to go buy this. It was $177. Oh, my Lanta. So we went to buy this in March, and this was $177. It's true. You heard him? So I went to go buy this, and as I hit the buy button to transfer my Ethereum and pay the gas fees, this dickhead who owns this, so what's his name? There's only 56 owners still. Yo, Mr. Reed, there's only 56 owners still. Since the day we tried to buy this, this dude's a scammer. Do not buy this off this man. He's doing shady shit. He needs to be reported, actually. If you notice, it runs off the engine. It's the engine token. This will be something in 4 years if you can actually buy it and own it. I'm not saying, listen to me, I'm not saying NFT arts are scams. This guy's a jerk-off who's the person who made this. Either he's a jerk-off, this guy created by E8E209. You owe me $200, asshole. You stole $200. Mr. Reed, how much money does he owe of yours? He owes you $177 plus whatever the appreciation value is going up. We bought this for $177, and he raised the price as he bought one. I went to go get the rest of the money because I was short on the gas fees. I put in $177, $190, and I still spent more money on burning the gas fees through Ethereum. I was pissed. I had to go put more Ethereum in to make it more over $200, and this dickhead raised the price of $170 to, what was it, Mike, $600? And I'm like, I'm not putting $400 more in for this. I don't even like him. I don't want this. So long story short, just be careful. Learn more about it before you get into stuff. It was $177. I thought that was the number. Thank you, Mike. But $177, then he raises the price to $600. I swear if I could have found him through the internet, I would have killed him through an Ethereum token. I would have threw a Bitcoin at his head, bounced it off his nose, knock him out. Anyways, we are what? What's the price here? $77 again. We're pumping, going back to red. Here you go. You can dollar cost average when you see a red fall down, but what's happening? There is some price action up and down going. You really do got to pay attention to that. That's important. I told you today, for anyone who's watching today, Ethereum leaving your body. The poverty is leaving. The poverty is leaving in crypto. If you leave in crypto, you're gone. How about SafeMove? SafeMove was kicking ass too. What did I talk about today? Well, if you got any of my stuff that I was talking about, you could buy your token. Get on Dipto Crypto. That's my buddy now. He's pretty smart. I like his stuff. This morning, I was laughing because we were buying. This was us this morning. We were selling at 4 in the morning. It felt like it was a drug deal. I'm not kidding. This is us. Working 2 jobs is almost over, my hard-ass working brother. This was today at 4 a.m., 16 hours ago. I'm up going 16 hours strong. Ha, thanks, Pete. Talk to you later. I made $500 in my sleep. Meanwhile, the market was down. Everything was red. We're making money. I said, I feel like we just did a drug deal at 4 in the morning. Laugh. We have good times. This is a great channel. I'm a great person. Really, I'm here to help you. Like I said, if you want to learn the formula of derivatives, the average deviation formula is very important. If you don't know it, you might want to. I'm going to do a class on it. I remember when I figured it out. I remember my first deviation. It was awesome. I learned a lot. And life is good. I'm telling you, there's a lot of different things. Formulas related. What is an acceleration formula? Things of that nature. I didn't realize how late it was. I'm going to have to get off. What were we doing? 10 hours of a video here? Everyone hit that like, subscribe. I promise you, if anything crazy happens and I'm awake and I'm not sleeping, we are going to talk about this 60 cents. Woo! I can't take it no more. I can't. I don't know what to do anymore. What the hell is going on? 38.3 billion. That number has to change. That number has to be higher. It has to be 38.9, 38. How about Dogecoin? We're almost at 40 billion volume. How about that? How about 40 billion dollars on a effing volume when it was 40 billion market cap? How about that? How about people FOMOing in at 60 cents Dogecoin? Can we talk about this? There's actual people. I just said if we break the 57 cents, we're gone. I just said that maybe 10 minutes ago. This video is going longer than I ever imagined. But people are FOMOing, and I'm not buying this right now. This is going to the moon still. I know it's going, and I'm still not buying it. I don't FOMO into these candles. I used to do this crap. I said, I missed the show. It's always a show, bro. And now you know. And if you don't know, now you know. Pete, I called you out in my first video, by the way, man. Top Shot, so glad you got me into that. It's incredible. No problem, brother. I hope your Dipto in crypto blows to the moon, just like the crypto market is. You were very informative on my channel. You're still very informative. I appreciate having you, Alex. Make sure you show up with that name. Let's like and subscribe, family. Let's give him a little bit of love. Dipto in crypto. Dip your toe in crypto. I love the name. We're making sick dough in mother effing crypto. DJ Wall Street Pete. I worked on Wall Street. If you're new to this channel, this is this handsome little devil. We talk about him once in a while. Yes, he worked on the Wall Street in New York. This is the same guy. He doesn't look the same anymore. He's getting older, as we all are. And if we don't start preparing our bags for the future, we're going to be wondering why everyone else is making this money and why didn't we? I just dropped 10K on Doge. There you go. I just said it. I said there will be someone FOMOing in. And you know what? You're not doing a bad thing. Why? In all reality, because look at this mess. We've been building up billions of dollars on a sideways run. And yes, 1 inch is cheap at $5.40. Listen to Mike Reed. He is not bullshitting. That guy is going to tell you what's up. He has a friggin' comment. He's going to tell you. Ethereum is going to go nuts. I'm waiting for Ethereum to be next. Everyone's putting their money into Dogecoin. It's going to be 40 billion in a minute. I mean, that was a fucking jump. That was a jump. I mean, look at this. We're 300 million away from 40 billion volume. I don't think that Dogecoin has ever had 40 billion volume. I'm pretty sure that is a no. What's Harmony doing? Harmony needs to do something, because if Harmony doesn't start doing shit soon, I'm going to get really aggravated. I have like 37,000 shares of Harmony, and it's sitting there jerking my chain. Let's get some action here, buddy. This W's coming, I hope. It doesn't look to be. If I take my Bollinger Bands with the EMA, I want to see what's going on with this, because this is really annoying. This is the exponential moving average. It's telling me that my bands are definitely screwing with me. Oh, without a doubt. We want to flip this band. If anyone has Harmony token, I see this happening. Okay, I'm feeling a little better. My bands are starting to spread out here, which is mean we're going to land the plane soon, and then we're going to get the sideways as we did, and now we're going to start redirecting. Okay, cool. All right, this is looking really good, ladies and gentlemen. If you want to buy a Harmony token at 12.8 right now, I would suggest it's a good buy. That is definitely cheap. In 15 minutes, we'll be getting a new hourly candle. That's how long we're on here. Hit that like, subscribe. We're going on a ride. We're going to the moon, and we're going soon. I know it sounds annoying hearing it 1,000 times, but isn't it true, though? Aren't we finally starting to learn that this is starting to become a reality at this point? Go look at Click Chart. Yeah, but can I get it on TradingView? Didn't you click the wrap? Yeah, on Uniswap. Jesus, dude. Go lay down. I'm not talking about that, I hope, because 1, 2, 3, 4. It doesn't even have 5 zeros. Yeah, Harmony's cheap. You just need to get some Harmony on that. But I can't go over that one now, Mike. I don't even mess with that. I don't want people to know that. So all right, ladies and gentlemen, I have to get going. We have a lot of stuff going on, but listen, XLM even looks beautiful. Holy cow, everything's looking good. Everything's forming nice. If you notice, we're on a rise. We're jumping up. Some coins are going to lag. What's happening is the brands. If you look at my last video, I'm pulling out like a soldier on leave on May 7th. Oh, wow. Listen. These things are going up. These things are going to start skyrocketing. You're going to see an alt season type of way. Litecoin, I mean, look at Link. Look at Chainlink. Chainlink is $50. Could you have imagined $50? Could you ever imagine that? I mean, this stuff here, this is stuff that I honestly was waiting for a long time, and it's here. So keep your eyes peeled. Pay attention to the next dip. Keep a couple dollars on the DL like I'm doing. I have money on the sidelines here, so if I feel something dip again, I could rebuy. Make sure you always do that. You don't want to have money on the side and then want to be able to buy something and you can't. That is the worst feeling in the world. So I don't know what to tell you. I have to say goodnight to my little one. She must be tired, and I didn't say goodnight to her, so I have to go run in there, and we have to do a couple other things anyway. If I come back in a few hours, I'll do it. So just pay attention to the bell notification. Wall Street Pete, Sicto in crypto. Have a wonderful night. This is where the man worked. It was the NYMEX floor. It was the open outcry pit. We learned a lot. Hit the like button. Get that algorithm going. Make sure you hit the subscribe. We have about 73, 74, 75% subscribe rate when people come in here. That's awesome. I never even heard of that number. Have a great night. Remember, we're bullish. Stay safe. Peace in, peace out. I hope to see you in a couple hours. That means we're going even crazier.